Hey guys, what is going on today? I wanted to take a moment and I wanted to address something inside of the hair loss space that is that's currently going on because there's some wild stuff. There's some wild stuff that is currently happening, and I think we need to take a moment to kind of acknowledge it. So in this video, I want to talk about Baldcafe. So Baldcafe is a channel that's dedicated to helping guys who are losing their hair go confidently bald. Primarily this channel is to what my channel mostly is for those that wear hair systems. We see a lot of videos on this channel that talk about how shaving your head can actually really help you deal with hair loss. Basically all the same stuff that we talk about here. But the reason that I wanted to talk about Baldcafe is because something pretty incredible has happened, and I want to make you guys aware of it. So this website right here is called Social Blade, and what Social Blade does is it gives you a snapshot of anybody on any social channel, from YouTube to TikTok to Instagram. So it's a good way to look at like analytics. I use it, I kind of keep up to date with people in the hair loss space, as well as some other stuff for some clients that I have, because I work inside of this space. Now, you know, Baldcafe has been growing. And I'm super stoked for him because he's an awesome guy, and he's really doing an awesome mission. What has happened though recently is pretty incredible. So I want to show you this chart. I mean, first you can kind of see what's going on here, but I want to show you first this chart right here, which is the video views. So this is measuring basically from the end of 2018 until today. So we see, you know, there has been a steady rise with peaks and valleys. But basically over the past like 4 to 6 months, and especially in December, Baldcafe's channel has gone parabolic. It's gone freaking nuclear. It's gone to the moon. Just this last month, he had 17.5 million views and brought on about 18,000 subscribers, which is, I mean, that's massive. That's a massive amount of views. Quantify that, like 17.5 million views. 20,000-ish, 18,000 new subscribers in a month. That's insanity, and it's awesome. Some of my clients that have been around on YouTube for years and years have this type of you know, viewership and subscribers, but like to have this happen inside of the hair loss space is pretty incredible. Now, some may say, oh, well, you know, Baldcafe is encouraging people just to shave their head if they're dealing with hair loss. Like, that's not the right way to go. Well, you know, I think that Baldcafe is doing a really great job at bringing out the psychological side of hair loss and how it can harm men and actually women too. His channel shows that. And yes, his end solution, that we could say he's not even promoting an end solution, but the choice he's made, which is shaving his head, he talks with others to see their experience and to help them along their journey to make a decision, which is what his channel and my channel are ultimately about: becoming better men. And that can happen through many different choices, many different executable ways, whether it's getting a hair system, shaving your head, taking action by, you know, getting a transplant. And this type of stuff extends to other parts of life. This is not just existing inside of the hair loss space. When you do this type of thing in any aspect of your life, it starts carrying over into the other aspects, into business, into relationships, into your education, into the way that you handle your own emotions. You become a person of action. You are a problem solver. And this is massive, because if Baldcafe is reaching, just this past month, reaching just about 18 million people, that has massive ramifications. And I want to say a massive congratulations to Baldcafe for what he has done over the past couple of years. I want to say a massive congratulations, and just you know, Baldcafe, you deserve it, man. You're doing amazing work inside of this space and helping men every single day. And I encourage every single person here on this channel, go subscribe to Baldcafe. Go say congratulations on his channel. Go give him some love. It's time that we actually really unite this community between people that get hair transplants, people that get, you know, hair systems, people that shave their head. It's time to realize we are all people that are dealing with this same exact problem, just coming to a little bit different solution. We need to love each other, support each other in their decisions, not hate on each other, not divide against one another. Anyways, I really encourage you, go check out Baldcafe's channel, go subscribe to him, go leave him a congrats message, and let's just celebrate.